Hi guys, so today is just me, and today this video is gonna be about fidget spinners. So there's this new trend called fidget spinners, and I have some. You seen the video where I bought my first fidget spinner, but I got like 3 more since that. So I'm gonna show you my fidget spinners. Here they are. Keep them in this little container so I won't lose them. And so I'm gonna show you my fidget spinners. So I have this one with these leaves on it. The quality. I have this one. It glows in the dark. This was my first fidget spinner. This one glows in the dark too. And I just got this one. It's gold. It's not real gold, obviously. And it's so quiet because I put oil in this, coconut oil. So if you want your fidget spinner to be quiet, put coconut oil in it. And those are my 4 fidget spinners. I'm gonna get more. And yeah. So this one is the fastest one I have. And the slowest one I have is probably this one. So I'm gonna do a spin test with this fidget spinner. See how fast it goes. So here's my stop clock. I don't know if you see that. Yeah. So I'm gonna spin it. And 3, 2, 1, go. I kind of got a bad spin here, but here it is. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know why it's so bright though. Well, if you guys can't see that, it says 50 seconds. Oh, there it is. So this is my longest spinning fidget spinner. It spins for at least 2 minutes. If it doesn't spin for 2 minutes, it's because I got a bad spin. Come on, 2 minutes. 1 minute, 14 seconds. So it looks like it's almost done spinning, but it's not. There's a glitch on cameras where if you put a light on a fidget spinner, it warps it. Almost there. Almost 2 minutes, and it's almost done spinning. Two minutes and 1 second. Almost there. And so it was 2 minutes and 21 seconds, which is pretty long, but excuse me. Dab on, but it's pretty long. But there's 2 fidget spinners that spins for like 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and fidget spinners that spins for 5 minutes. So like, this is the world's longest spinning fidget spinner. And yeah, so that's it for the video about the new trends fidget spinners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye.